This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 13th of May. I'm Michael Groff. Dry and hot for the rest of the week, temperatures above average, but then a cooling trend for the weekend and early next week as an area of low pressure approaches us, leading to some increase in moisture and maybe a few showers and thunderstorms over the higher terrain. The question is, could we even see a shower or storm here in Phoenix? Let's talk about it. First, yesterday, 101 degrees the afternoon high, 69 was the morning low. The normal high, 93, the normal low, 68. And as we look outside right now, here at 6:25 a.m., sunny sky out there, and we are sitting at 72 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew point at 27, relative humidity 19%. The winds are light, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures this morning, 54 is the cool spot at Fort McDowell, 57 at Goldfield, 59 in Buckeye. Otherwise, we're mainly in the mid-60s to middle 70s through the metro. The upper air look shows high pressure in control here across the southwest, and that will remain the dominant weather feature for the next couple of days at least. Here's the watch warning map, and I don't think I've ever seen it this quiet in mid-May before. We've got a couple of frost and freeze warnings in West Virginia and some of the adjacent states, red flag warnings over parts of Utah, and flood watches in sections of Alaska along the Black and Porcupine Rivers down toward Fort Yukon. Here in Arizona, an air quality alert for Maricopa and Pinal County. Otherwise, there's just nothing out there. The convective outlook for today, we've got a little marginal risk over parts of Kansas and Nebraska. And the precipitation outlook, this is valid through next Thursday morning from the WPC. No rain in the valley, not much statewide. There could be some isolated showers and storms over the higher terrain. We'll talk about what's going on with that and if there's any chance we could see anything around here as we dive into modeling. Here we go. This is the GFS. It's the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. We've got a rather prominent ridge out here across the southwest, and that's going to keep us hot and dry into the weekend. So down at the surface today, sunny, hot, highs 99 to 102. Tonight, clear, overnight lows 60s to low 70s, and then tomorrow, sunny, hot again, highs upper 90s to about 102. As we go into the weekend, we'll see the ridge begin to flatten out as low pressure begins to develop along the Pacific Northwest coast, ultimately dropping into the Great Basin. High temperatures should fall back a couple of degrees on Saturday, and further on Sunday back into the upper 80s and low 90s. Could see some afternoon breeziness around here. And as that area of low pressure begins to drop southeastward into central and northern Arizona on Monday, we'll see moisture pulled across the state. Enough so for perhaps some isolated showers and thunderstorms over the higher terrain, and it is not completely out of the question we could see a stray shower or storm in the metro Phoenix area. I would say probably more likely in the north or east valley, up around Scottsdale, Carefree, Cave Creek, the favored higher terrain areas. But even if you see that, I would say it would be more of a high base storm. Lightning, some wind, some blowing dust maybe, probably no rain out of that. And high temperatures fall back a little further, mid-80s to around 90, breezy conditions, just a few clouds. On Tuesday, that low begins to move out, but the GFS is indicating a weak follow-up wave coming through the state, so we could see a continuation of isolated showers and thunderstorms in northern Arizona. But the problem here is that this would still be a fairly moisture-starved system, so just high-based thunderstorms likely. If we get anything at all. And that means just lightning and wind producers, and we just don't want to see that with the fire danger continuing to increase. High temperatures in Phoenix would recover a little bit back toward the lower or perhaps middle 90s. On Wednesday, we're in the mid to upper 90s with sunny sky. Then, here's a week from today. This is Thursday the 20th, and the pattern across North America becoming more high amplitude. Look at that ridge extending up into central and northern Canada. Another ridge building in the northeast Pacific up into Alaska. Between those systems, we've got a trough over western Canada and the Pacific Northwest, and that should keep any strong ridging from developing here over the southwest. I would say temperatures would be fairly close to seasonal averages if this is right. And then looking out 10 days, this is Saturday the 22nd, we've got a little negative tilt wave moving into the southeast U.S., maybe a chance at some strong or severe storms there. Again, high amplitude pattern elsewhere. With that positively tilted trough off of the west coast, we would stay dry and seasonal. All right, now let's take a look at rainfall for Phoenix over the next couple of weeks. This is coming off of the GFS ensemble, and you've got 31 members here. There is one of those members that's trying to show a little bit of rain in here around Monday of next week. Then a couple more out there toward the end of the month, but it looks like we will stay dry and warm for the rest of May. No real surprises here. And then temperatures off the European ensemble. And again, no real shock here. Highs around the triple digits today, tomorrow, and then a little bit lower as we head into the weekend. Early next week, highs might drop into the upper 80s before warming back up again to around seasonal averages. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. I thank you so very much for watching. It is always appreciated. You guys be safe, stay cool and hydrated out there, and have yourselves a wonderful Thursday.